Some of you have never been taught that you are sacred, that you are a sacred being. And because you have not been taught that, you let other people treat you any kind of way. You treat your own self any kind of way. And you do not know how to show up and treat a divine community as sacred. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you. Some of you all do not know your worth. I'm going to teach you. The worth and the value and the sacredness and the divinity with which you value your own self will inevitably come out in the way you value, view, engage with, treat, and problem solve with others. The way you care for others. You can tell when you are around somebody who is unfamiliar with being in the presence of someone who knows their worth, they value, and that they are a sacred and divine being. There's a number of responses that you can get. But for you, my Omoawo, who are embarking upon this journey of sacred rites of passage, for you, you are about to be taught real time. Many of the lessons that you still have yet to learn about how to show up and love in sacred community, and how to problem solve in sacred community, and how to communicate effectively in sacred community, and how to take care of our elders and our children in sacred community, and how to honor your body temples as sacred spaces. You are about to really, really learn. You're about to learn. And when you learn, take it with you. Bring it back to the United States with you. Don't just say, oh, we was at Ìyálóde house in Africa and we just did this while we were there. Don't do that. Don't do that. Remember where we are. Remember what we're doing. Remember where we are. Remember what we're doing. When we talk about refinement, those changes are supposed to be permanent. We developed this with the intention for these changes that we are teaching you, and that Ifá is teaching you, and that we are modeling for you. That you will take these and you will make them yours. That you will internalize them and integrate them into your being. So that it's not something that you are just doing while you are in Africa, but it becomes a lifestyle change for you upon your return to the United States of America, and forever, and forever. This is how you correct, quote unquote, generational family curses, also known as pathology. This is how you correct character, spiritual, emotional, psychological imbalances within your own self. And this is how we correct misalignments in the way we engage with community. You got to have a model of a healthy one. We're about to introduce you to what it looks like on the continent of Africa as we have established it and set it up for you in alignment with the guidance we have received from Ifá on how we should do that for the children of the diaspora.